So this is for the basic. 13. 14. 15. 16. So our measurements na gamito na to for 13 is 4 followed by 3.05 followed by 3. Then the font style is Arial narrow pero naka-bold siya. Then the size of the ellipse that we're going to use is 1.329 by 2.813. After that, inyo nang i-rotate into 45 degrees. Kanang inyong ellipse, inyo nang i-rotate. I-pick niyo kaysa, then rotate to 45 degrees, apply to duplicate, rotate 1, 2, 3. For the second plate, number 14, these are the important measurements. First is 4 by 4. Second is 3.2. Third is 3.25. Kaya ang font na itong gamitin is Arial narrow. Then naka-bold ang letter. Ito ka muna mag-proportionate any object inside the circles. For number 15, we have 4, tapos 3.0 by 3.0, followed by 2.8. Kaning 2.8 mo ni siyang galimit ining ko na lower niya nga ray sa sun. Then followed by the inner circle 1.8. So kining tulo ka eye inside the circle. This is 1.8. 1.8 nga circle. Tapos imo lang i-convert into pi. Andali lang conversion, i-convert into pi. So both sides of the pi is 30 degrees. Butang ka dali og 30, ang isa negative 30. 30 duplicate mo na negative 30. Lagay mo dito sa intersection ng pi. Pagkatapos niyan, gagamit tayo ng shape tool. So, iset na ito ni hang node to the negative 60. And the other one, a negative 30, I mean, the other one is positive 30. Then duplicate, rotate the pi to 60. Pag-rotate mo 60, imo din yung i-mirror vertical. Yung i-mirror vertical, tapos lagay nyo sa gitna. Kulayan nyo ng blue, Control D, mirror horizontal, pula. Yan na lang, i-convert it into pi. Saka ninyo ilagay dito sa gitna. It's Y. Then the star inside, ini magamit mo o 10 sides polygon.